Hello, in front of me I've got DarkBeacon Blade 68. In this video I'll show you how to enable Custom RGB Mode. In the beginning, let's go to dedicated app of the DarkBeacon, enter RGB settings and preset effects. In dynamic effects, select custom, and now you can add effect up to 5 effects. Now you can select color of each effect and select zone of the RGB for each layer. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.